what's up, guys? It's Nikki here, back to you with another Makeup Mondays with Nikki. First off, I'm gonna say that I'm sorry that I have not uploaded any videos for I think about going on 3 weeks probably now, but I'm back again with the videos. I've been dealing with my newborn for the first 3 weeks of him being alive, so I've been pretty busy. I plan on doing my videos though every Monday still, and I hope you guys enjoy this video today because since it's October, I decided to do one of the birthstones today, and next Monday I will be doing the other birthstone, which will be opal, which is sort of a white color. And today is a Tourmaline, I believe that's how it's pronounced, but it's a pink type of color, so that's why I'm wearing pink today. And I hope you like the video today. I'm going to be doing a voiceover. It's going to be very short because I'm only going to be doing the eyes and my lips in the video, so all you will hear is the background music and a little bit of a voiceover telling you that I'll be using different shades of pink. And if you do enjoy this video, please like, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you will watch my videos, and go ahead and click that notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Alright guys, go ahead and enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next Monday.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.